I'm out for the first time in my side garden since we put down the cover crop seeds last fall. And this Austrian field peas is so thick. Wow, I don't know if it's the way we seeded it or what, but it is something else. And it just seems ironic to be weed whacking field peas in order to plant snap peas, but that's what I'm doing. And look at all these beautiful first flowers of the season. This is either dead nettle, I believe it's dead nettle. Yeah, it's so pretty. Wow. Well, hey there everyone, Kaye here on my homestead. I am back. I guess I'm back. I am venturing out into the garden for the first time since November, really, and digging a trench. I need help with the trellis, but I am planting sweet peas, and I'm gonna come back and kind of do the trellis later. But I'm gonna do as much as I can today. We got rain coming, and if I can just have another hour, I can get done. Take a look at what I've done. Hey everybody, I'm out here in my garden doing some weed whacking of cover crop, getting ready to plant peas, and I just want to point out these great Hisea boots that I'm wearing. I've really broken them in. I can't say enough good stuff about them. Great customer service. And I'm an affiliate for Hisea now. This is the garden boot, the ladies' garden boot, women's garden boot. And what I love about these boots is I ordered a half size up because I have a huge bunion right here. And I don't care what company I've ever put boots on, something always is hurting. If you have a bunion here, and it's too tight, then you'll develop one on this side. And that's what I did before now. Since I've been wearing these, I haven't had any pain. Check out their products, men and women's boots, got lots of different styles. I also bought snow boots, which I haven't had a chance to use because it didn't snow. So check out their products, and don't forget to use my 15% off discount code, K15. Okay, I've just laid out my two main poles for my bamboo sweet pea trellis. I went through 2 batteries for the weed whacker. So I'm done weed whacking for now. And I'm gonna start working on a trench. On either side of this pole, there's gonna be a row of peas. Even though this is wet soil, look how black. Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go? There's 2. Come back. Come here. Come here, where'd you go? Oh boy. Oh well. Happy to see worms in here. Okay, I admit this is going to be challenging, but you know, we've had so much rain. It's a double row, one on the inside and one on the inside and one on the outside. And then put hay on the rest to kill back the cover crop and the weeds. This is a healthy sign. Get on down in there. I'm gonna haul this bale of hay over, and I've got, in that bucket, I've got azomite and bone meal. You don't really need nitrogen with peas, not worried about that. I wish I had more time to really make the soil perfect, but I don't have that kind of time. I mean, look at the sky. So we need to get over there and get this done. Since the sky is so black and I know it's going to start raining that I would just put the hay down. I thought it's better to have it where it needs to go than in the gorilla cart and have to handle it later when it's wet. So this will get rained on, and this will give me an opportunity to get some compost out. Whew. I kind of beat up that bamboo pole, didn't I? I didn't realize that. Okay, so I can just lift up the middle part and plant my 2 rows, put down some compost with the azomite and the bone meal, get those seeds in the ground. Maybe even this afternoon it's supposed to clear up. Hey, thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for sticking with me all these years. Or if you're new, I hope you subscribe. Catch all the action here on my Tennessee homestead. Here comes BJ. There she is. BJ. Yeah, say bye. Say bye. Hi. Hi. Well, you can't come in because I'm coming out. Otherwise, I'd let you come in. Okay, just wait a minute. All right. Can you wait a minute? Can you just wait? Because I'm coming out. Okay. Oh, great. There's a hole there. Oh, I'm glad you actually pointed that out, because now I need to fix that before. I need to fix that. Ideally, you want to put your trellis in first before you plant your peas. You don't want to disturb them. And ideally, you want to weed whack your cover crop down and let it die back before before you try to plant. And the other day when I had help here, he was tired and he hadn't been working outside all winter either. So we had rain the next day. Yesterday I went to see my mother in Nashville. I made that trip successfully back and forth in my Prius, which is fixed, and I've gotten the check for the repairs from Farm Bureau, so I'm very happy about that. So the poison ivy is fading. Thank you all for your prayers. I really appreciate all of you, each and every one of you. Please share my channel and help it grow. Things got really while I was taking a break, so I really appreciate you sharing the channel, and I look forward to you subscribing if you're not, and I'll see you in the next video. BJ, what do you think? Is it gonna storm? Careful. Oh. Let me see you get down from there. Hey, can you prune those vines while you're there? I hope it's not too late. I still haven't done that. Oh, gosh. Tiger, it's gonna rain. You're gonna get wet. Let's see what Patch is up to over here. I'm just happy she's within sight. Hi, baby. Come on. Are you stuck? You're not stuck. Oh, you're trying to get something. All right, well, I'm getting wet watching you. Yeah, I'm getting wet. We're getting wet. Don't you think we should go in? Huh? I mean, I'm getting wet. What is it, Patch? What do you got? This looks like where the excavator came in. And it is. Oh, there's something in that hole. Patch is waiting for a bird or something. Patch, just leave the birds alone. I want you to focus on moles and, actually voles. I want you to focus on voles, okay? If we get rid of the voles, the moles will go too, right? Okay. Come on! Come on, come on! Come on, Spot! Come on, baby, come on! Good boy! Come on, BJ! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Storm is coming! Come on, come on, come on! Come on! Let's get inside, Tiger. Good girl, Patch, come on! Good girl! There you go! There you go! Good kitties! Who wants a treat? Who wants a treat? Does anybody want a treat? Yeah? Yeah? You want a treat? What about you, Spot? You want a treat? BJ, you want a treat? Patch, you want a treat? Okay.